This is the BOYA Magic, and I've honestly been testing it non-stop for the past couple of weeks. I've used it for vlogs, voiceovers, outdoor shoots, even interviews. Basically, everywhere. Now, what really makes it stand out? It's not just a mic, it's like multiple mics in one. It actually transforms. You can use it as a clip-on lav mic, a handheld mic, a desktop mic, or even mount it straight onto your camera. One compact tool, 4 different recording styles, and zero stress. And the audio quality? Way better than I expected for something this tiny mic. First things first, let's talk about the unboxing. The BOYA Magic comes in this sleek, premium looking box. Everything's packed super neatly, and yep, they even include a really handy little pouch to carry the whole setup. It's compact, but it fits everything just right. You even get a separate desktop stand, which is a nice bonus. So it's not just a mic and a case, it's basically a full-on creator-ready kit. Here's a quick look at what's inside. The usual paperwork, 2 windscreens for the lav mic, a dead cat for handling wind noise, 2 USB-C to Type-A charging cables, 2 receivers, one for iPhone, one for Android, a 3.5mm TRS cable, and of course the mic itself, which also works as the charging case. This is one of those setups where you don't need to go out and buy a bunch of extras. Everything you need to get started is right here in the box. Looks wise, the mic is sleek and super compact. It's ultra thin and lightweight, so even when clipped on your shirt, it doesn't stick out awkwardly. That's huge if you're filming TikToks or short form content where clean visuals matter. Now let's talk sound quality. Now I'm standing outside for testing out the BOYA Magic, so you can even use it as a mic for street interviews. And I haven't turned on the noise cancellation, so that's why you can hear the surrounding, right? The surrounding backgrounds. So I'm going to turn on the noise cancellation just pressing one button. This blue light turns green, so it means the noise cancellation has been activated. So it eliminates all the background noises around me. It only picks my voice. And I also like one of the feature that is 100-meter range. So I'm walking right now and still it picks my voice, right? And now I'm standing about 100 meters away and still it's picking my voice, which is really amazing quality, right? Here's something I really appreciated: dual audio protection. It has a real-time limiter to avoid clipping from sudden loud sounds, and it also records a backup track at -12 dB. So if your main audio messes up, you've got a safety file. Trust me, this saved me during one outdoor shoot when I forgot to check my gain. This thing records at 48 kHz 24-bit with a full frequency range from 20 Hz all the way up to 20 kHz. So whether you've got deep bass or crisp, high vocals, it handles well. Here are some real-world samples so you can hear exactly how the BOYA Magic performs, both with active noise cancelling on and without it. If you are looking for a wireless microphone and street interviews, I think BOYA Magic is perfect for you. So now I'm recording this video for testing out these small microphones from BOYA. This is BOYA Magic. So I have already activated the noise cancellation so you can hear my voice very clearly because it eliminates all the background noises. So I just need one press. I think, yep, because the light turns blue. So it means the noise cancellation has been turned off. So this is the result you get from these microphones. The charging case is more than just storage. It's the control center. You can power the mic on off, pair it and charge it all in one place. I love how simple it is. Just take it out, clip it on and you're rolling. No apps or setup headaches. But if you want more control, the BOYA Central app has pro features right from your phone. Adjust gain, switch noise modes, apply presets. I used it a few times to boost the gain when filming from farther away, and it really helped clean up the audio on the spot. One of the standout features, AI-powered noise cancellation. BOYA says it's their third-gen AI algorithm, trained on over 20,000 hours of audio to recognize and remove over 700,000 types of background noise. It can cancel up to 40 decibels of noise without making your voice sound robotic or squashed. Your voice still comes through naturally, which is super important for content creators. I think the BOYA Magic is probably one of the smartest, most convenient mics. It's compact, lightweight, packed with powerful features, and perfect for content creators who want to keep things simple without sacrificing sound quality. Whether you film alone, travel a lot, or just want solid audio without carrying a full setup, this mic delivers. And now I understand why they call it magic. It really does a bit of everything. It's practical, and the value for the price is actually impressive. If you want to learn more about it, check out the link below in the description. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.